Preschool children tend to focus all their attention on a single characteristic compared to others. Would this be letter A, centration, letter B, egocentration, letter C, egocentrism, or letter D, conservation? Tumpak na choice po natin here is letter A, centration. Centration. Ito po yung centration. The tendency of the child to only focus on one thing or event, one characteristic, no? And exclude other aspects. Yung bata po ay centered lamang sa height ng baso. Hindi niya kinoconsider na kahit na mas mataas ito, mas matangkad itong baso na to, ay mas makipot naman siya. Feeling niya, mas marami ang laman ng basong ito kasi nga, mas mataas siya. That would be your centration. Nakatuon lamang sa iisang characteristic ang bata. Kapag kasi sinabi pong egocentrism, selfish yung bata, feeling niya kung ano yung nakikita niya, ano yung nararamdaman niya, ano yung iniisip niya, ganun din yung ginagawa ng ibang tao. Okay? So the focus is on himself. That's egocentrism. You say conservation, conserved. Ibig sabihin, alam na nung bata na kahit na nilipat mo siya into a taller, narrower glass, hindi po nadagdagan yung amount ng tubig